Tom and I, we ran out of mangoes, so we're chasing mangoes again. And we know a place by the fire station, so we came. But those you can steal, they're still green. So we need them to be nice and yellow. You see how many? They're just hanging like Christmas ornaments. So right beside here, oh look at this, a nice one. Right beside here, there's a banana tree. I guess it's a variety of banana. They call it moco. So it's good for cooking. You can see them right there. Look at that. They're beautiful. And look at the flower that they have. Right? Yeah, we haven't found any coconuts yet. There's coconuts, but it's too high to go get them. Just an abandoned building. A tree full of ibis. They're just perching for the night. Look at them. They're so pretty. Here you can see them a little better. Look how many there are. Oh my gosh. Look at them. And here is a papaya tree. Full of papayas, but they're not ripe yet.